So we go to Basel. We're gonna spend a day walking around the city, checking it out. Today's bank holiday, so everything's closed. And hopefully the weather's going to be nice to us.
Today, we will take you on a walking tour through the old town of Basel, on a route covering some of the best places you want to see when visiting this beautiful city. We begin at the Tinguely fountain just outside the theatre. In 1977, Swiss sculptor Jean Tinguely created sculptural machines in a shallow fountain, in the exact place where the stage of the old theatre once stood, gifting Basel a new famous landmark. Just across the road, you will find Neptunbrunnen, by the Barfüßerkirche, which is also one of the locations of the History Museum. The museum is divided into 3 buildings within the city of Basel, and this is one of them. It is one of the largest and most important museums of its kind in Switzerland, and a heritage site of national significance. There is a lot to see here, and we would highly recommend it if you're interested in the history of Basel. Especially worthy of note are the works of pre-Reformation sacred art and the Basel Cathedral treasury. The section, called Understanding of the World, installed in the basement, comprises a magnificent array of medieval tapestries, the Renaissance and Baroque collections grouped together in one great cabinet of curiosities and Basel's rich archaeological heritage. Our next stop is the Gemsberg Fountain, which is just a short walk away. This must be a very special fountain, as when it was delivered from the canton of Solothurn in the 19th century, the government had to tear down the Basel city wall, as it didn't fit through the city gate. Just a few streets away, you will find the famous Johann Warner Christmas house. Johann Warner is the world's largest manufacturer of handmade Christmas decorations. Among his celebrity customers are Buckingham Palace and the White House. From here, we are making our way towards the Spallanzhe City Gate. It's a lovely walk through the beautiful streets of the old town. On the way to the city gate, there is another fountain by the name of Spallanzebrunnen. The Spallanzhe is the most magnificent and impressive of 3 city gates remaining from the city's fortification dating from 1400s. The ring wall had over 40 towers, and 7 of them were gate towers like Spallanzhe, completed in 1473 to 1474. Right next to the city gate is the University of Basel Botanical Garden. The history of Botanical Garden goes back to the 16th century, making it one of the oldest botanical gardens in the world. It is open to the public all year round, with widely diverse range of plant life inside 4 different greenhouses and the outdoor space. After a short break in the garden, we're heading to the Marktplatz to take a look at the Basel Town Hall. Built between 1504 and 1513, the bright red building of Basel Town Hall, or Rathaus, is dominating the Marktplatz. The town hall houses the meetings of cantonal parliament and the government of the canton of Basel-Stadt. Marplatz, we're heading up towards Sevegelbrunnen and then straight to the Basel Minster. Originally a Catholic cathedral, today Basel Minster is a Reformed Protestant church and part of Swiss inventory of national significance.
Let's go up there and check out the view on the city.
It is one of the main landmarks and tourist attractions in the city. The original cathedral was built between 1019 and 1500 in Romanesque and Gothic styles. The late Romanesque building was unfortunately destroyed by the 1356 Basel earthquake. Even though supported by massive pillars, the earthquake destroyed 5 towers and heavily damaged the church. Johannes Gmund rebuilt the damaged cathedral, and in 1363 the main altar was consecrated.
You literally have to climb on all fours.
2 major restorations took place in the 19th century, and in the 20th century the main focus of renovations has been to emphasize the late Romanesque architecture and to reverse some modifications made in 1850s.
Squeeze in. You really have to squeeze in here. It is so tight.
We highly recommend for you to climb up to the top of the tower, as it offers amazing views. Just behind the church, there is a viewpoint with a beautiful view of the River Rhine and Klein Basel Bank. Speaking of Klein Basel, this is the next stop on our tour, and to get there, we will be crossing the River Rhine using the Wettstein Bridge. As one of the most important trading routes, the River Rhine has had a huge influence on the development of the city. Today, it makes up a significant part of the quality of life that Basel offers to its residents and guests. Beginning in the Swiss Alps, it is the second longest river in Central and Western Europe, after the Danube, at about 1,230 kilometers. The Rhine and Danube comprised much of the Roman Empire's northern inland boundary, and it has been a vital waterway bringing trade and goods deep inland since those days. In the summer months, Klein Basel Bank is one of the top spots to sunbathe, promenade, relax and take a swim. In fact, swimming in the River Rhine is Basel's most popular sport in summer. You will often see locals put their clothes in the dry bag and use it as a floating device, letting the current take them on a sightseeing tour down the river. This is where our Basel walking tour ends. We hope you enjoyed the walk with us through this beautiful city and it inspired you to come and see it for yourself. Our Switzerland trip has come to an end, and what a trip it was. We would like to say a big thank you to our dear friends Ati and Eka for making this trip possible. Thank you guys, it was amazing and we can't wait to come back. Time for the last dinner, reflecting on the time we spent together discovering incredible places in this beautiful country. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the series. Join us next time to do it all over again, as we will be exploring the beautiful region of Andalusia in southern Spain.